Hi there, so I hear you're going virtual with me. Hi, my name is Miss Simpson and I am your 4th grade virtual teacher. I'm so excited that you are in my class now. Alright, so I have set up a little video explaining some things to you about my Canvas. Canvas can be tricky and hard to use, and every teacher does it differently. So I made this video to help you out. I know it's long, and I know that you might not want to watch it, but trust me, you're going to need to, or you're going to get confused. Because again, mine is probably set up a little bit different than your current teachers. So, in just a second, I'm going to get on my iPad, and I'm going to walk you through the steps of what my Canvas looks like, how to navigate it, how to turn in assignments, and a little bit about small group. Now, I probably sent your parent or guardian an email telling them what small group you're in. Now, this small group is mandatory. I do expect to see you every day, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. I do not do small groups on Friday. I also hold a help time every single day, Monday to Friday, from 12:40 to 1:40. On Thursdays, we do a ticket drawing. Now, that means at 12:40 on Thursday, anybody who is on can get their name drawn. So during small groups, during help time, if I notice you're doing good on your work, I give you a ticket, and I put your name on that ticket. On Thursdays at 12:40, everybody in the whole class comes to my Zoom meeting, my help time meeting, and that is where I draw names to figure out who wins. So if I draw your name and you win the ticket drawing, I will put a prize in your mailbox for you to enjoy. And most of the time, it's a little goodie bag and it has a ton of treats in there, maybe some candy, some toys. Kids love it. All of my students have loved it so far. Another thing you need to know, now that you're virtual, in order to be counted present for the day, you have to attend Zoom or submit an assignment before midnight. So let's say accidentally you wake up at 10 a.m. one day and you miss your small group. That's okay. At least submit your work for the day and that will count you present. Okay, if you have any questions, please let me know. I know it's a lot of information, changing from in-person to virtual or just being moved into my class from another teacher's classroom. So watch this video here in just a second. I'll explain my Canvas to you. I'll show you how to submit some things, how to use the PDF pen, and kind of what my expectations are. But the main things you need to know: how to navigate Canvas, how to make sure you're present, what your small group is, and I'm pretty sure, ticket drawing. That's another one. Ticket drawing every Thursday at 12:40 p.m. Okay, guys, I love y'all so much, and I cannot wait for you to be in my classroom. Keep watching for how to navigate my Canvas. Bye. Hey there, I hear you're new to my virtual class, so let's get started walking you through what Canvas looks like. I know that every teacher's looks different, so I want to show you the setup of mine. And again, this is Miss Simpson, your virtual teacher. Okay, so this is the Canvas Student app. In virtual, we always use the Canvas Student app unless I tell you to go to ClassLink. So do not use ClassLink for Canvas, only use the app. So when you log on to the Canvas Student app, now yes, it does take a little bit to load, but you should only have one course, and it is called Conduct. Conduct is the course that I put every single assignment in for every single subject. So if you click on Conduct, it's going to pull up my home page. Okay, so I have a lot of things on this home page, but if you look right here, the main thing are the Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and last week buttons. Okay, so let's talk about your daily buttons. Now, if I was to click on Monday, it's going to take me to our schedule for the day. So you'll have the announcement posted, you'll have your PE and music. You can also go see Miss Tarrett's counselor page and play around with that. Then these are my 3 group times. Now, I probably sent your parent or guardian a message and let them know what group you're in. So you need to be on during that time to be in group. And we go over some reading stuff, some math stuff, and I just check with you and make sure you're doing okay. So in order to do that, you'll click on that big button that says Zoom and it'll take you right to Zoom. Now it might ask you to allow your microphone and change your name, so just follow through the on-screen prompts and make sure you connect your audio. Then there will be a work on assignments button. Now, just because I have a work on assignments button that starts at 11 doesn't mean you shouldn't start working on assignments right after specials at 9 a.m. It just means that those are my 3 group times, and any time you're not in group, you should be working on your assignments until you get them all done. Okay, so then you'll have lunch. From 12:40 to 1:40, I am on Zoom, just there if you need help, if you have questions, or if you can't figure out how to do something, hop on Zoom, and again, you'll just scroll up and you'll click that big Zoom button to get there. And then again, you'll be working on assignments. So if you are not on Zoom with me, you are working on assignments. So just because it says from 11 to 12:10 and 1:40 to 3:15 to work on assignments, you should be doing them anytime you're not on Zoom with me or doing PE or music. So if you click on the button that says today's work, it'll take you to the work for today. So this is our work, Monday, Tuesday, and then it does have this week 4. Well, you're not focused on week 4. So you'll find the day that it is. Today is Monday, December 7th. It might be another day there in, if you're watching this video later, but it does have all of your assignments. Notice, some of those assignments have a cactus next to them. Those are the assignments that are graded. Those are the assignments that are the most important. Now, you're required to do all of them. And did I mention, I forgot, small group is also mandatory, so you have to come to small group. It is not a choice. Okay, anyway, here are your assignments. It's all the assignments you have to do today, and once you finish them, you are done. So, again, cactus means graded. If there's no cactus, you still have to do the assignment. You still have to watch the video, but I'm not going to put it in the grade book. You still get a grade for it, but it doesn't go in the grade book. So if I click on, say, Central Idea, now it does say successfully submitted, but your assignment looks like this. Central Idea, you'll start by watching the lesson video. Then below it, I'm going to have whatever your assignment is. So on this one, you'll read Thunder Rose in your textbook, and in reading class, we read for 30 minutes every single day. So not only do you have your assignment, but you do have 30 minutes of reading. Let's go check another one. Actually, invitation to notice. Sometimes I will have a video for you to watch, but nothing to submit, and I tell you that right below the video. Affix number 4, again, I have a little blurb before the video. You'll watch the video, and then it says take a picture of your work when you're done. So to access your worksheet, you click on Affix of the Week, and it's going to pull up that PDF for you, and that's your worksheet. In order to write on this worksheet, anytime you have a blue little line right there and blue words, you can click on it. It'll pull up the worksheet. You use this pen, and that'll let you type. You can write cheerful. Ooh, that's not what I meant to say. Cheerful, and you can type. You can use the marker. You can use the highlighter. You can, I don't know what that means, but you can use the eraser, and you can change, if you're on one of these, it'll allow you to change your color, click the back button, whatever you want to do there. But when you're done and your assignment saves, see, if you go back into it, your assignment saves. To submit the assignment, you'll click this box with the arrow coming out of it. You'll scroll till you see student, and once you click on student, it'll allow you to click the submit button. So I'll do that one more time with this assignment. You'll click the arrow with the box coming out of it, scroll till you see, and again, look, you have a little, yay, assignment submitted successfully. You'll go to student, and you'll click submit. All right, so that is how you submit an assignment if you have a PDF. Now, if you have an assignment like this Central Idea assignment, and you need to take a picture, because right here I say, create a bubble map over the Central Idea, take a picture. You'll go down here. It won't say resubmit. It'll say submit. And it's going to ask you to choose a file. Now, you can go to camera and take a picture. You can go to library if you already have the picture. But most of the time, we'll do camera. That's just my desk right there. You'll take the picture. You'll click use photo. And you'll submit it that way. And you'll just click the submit button. And it will submit Central Idea for you. Okay. So that is how you see, and most of the time I forgot to tell you, there's a little confetti that pops up that you submitted that assignment. So again, those are all of your assignments for Monday, and when you get to the stop button, it'll just tell you that you are done. Most of the time, my kids just click this next at the bottom right-hand corner, and it takes them assignment to assignment to assignment. Also, on the left-hand side, I have grades. If you click on grades, it will show you, now it does say total grade, I wouldn't worry about that, but it will give you the grades that you get on assignments. Now clearly, if there's a dash, I haven't graded it yet, but down here there are grades. It'll tell you if it's complete, if you got an 80, 100, or whatever your grade was. So if you would like to check your grades, that is how you do that. Okay, so let's go back to our home page. I also do something called the last week button. Now, this last week button has all the work that we completed from the previous week. If you are missing anything, normally it will say missing in red letters underneath it. But also, if I send you a message on Canvas and I say, you are missing blah, blah, blah assignment from last week, you can go and click this last week button and it'll take you right to last week's assignment. You can only correct work and submit work from the previous week. So if you don't have anything to do, or if you have something missing from like 3 weeks ago, you can no longer correct or complete it. You can only do it for the previous week and the current week. Okay, so all of your buttons look exactly the same. They have your announcements, and to see anything, you just click on the little Bitmoji and it will take you to the, this just so happens to be a GoNoodle for today. Okay. So again, Zoom, I will tell you what group you're in. Today's work, if you click on it, it will take you to Tuesday's work. If you want to navigate and see all of the work, if you click on the left-hand side and you click modules, that'll show you all the work in order. So you can happily scroll Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, all on the left-hand side. You can also click home and it'll take you back home. So one more thing I want to go over is down here where it says contact, newsletter, all of that. If you click on newsletter, this is where I post our spelling words every single week. Now, most of the time we don't do a spelling assignment. So yes, you are going to need to study your spelling words on your own. So yes, on your own, every week, study those spelling words. Down here is where I will put Epic. Epic, if you click on that, it'll take you to Epic on Safari. It has our class code right there. If you want to go to Prodigy, it'll take you on to Prodigy on Safari. And it has all of our student logins right here. If you open it up, it's a PDF and you can find your login. And then also I have a resources button. So if you are having trouble with a math assignment, you can click on math, and I put multiplication charts on here, songs on here, anchor charts on here, all of those things that you might need to help you on an assignment will probably be right here. Okay, so that is Canvas. If you have any questions, please let me know. The biggest thing you need to know is how to get to your small group, which is by clicking that big Zoom button, and how to get to today's work, which is by clicking this. Now, if you need help, please get on Zoom. I would be happy to help you. My help time is from 12:40 to 1:40. And again, I'll help you submit assignments, use the PDF pin. That's what I call it, that little pin you can write on a PDF. Other than that, that is all. The only button that looks a little different is Friday, and that is because I do not do small groups on Friday. I only do my help time from 12:40 to 1:40. Another thing you need to pay attention to is I do send Canvas messages all the time. That's how you know if you'll have missing work. That's how you know if I need you to get on group and you forgot. But I message you on there all the time. So in the bottom right-hand corner is the inbox. And that is how I message you. If you ever need to message me, you can click the plus button and go through how to message me. You'll click conduct. You'll say to and my name. You have to type in Sarah. That's my first name. Sarah Simpson. Tell me the subject. And then you can type in a message to me and click send. But if you ever need me, that is how you get the easiest way to get to me. I also am on email if your parents have my email, or Remind 101 if your parents are on Remind 101. All right, I know that was a lot, but if you need any help, thanks for watching, and I will be happy to help you navigate my Canvas and figure it out on Zoom. Bye.